Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can ask people around with something they've never told their parents on Roblox. Select try voice chat here and just play a game, or you can use any other voice chat games there is on Roblox. Make sure your mic and volume is on, so I'm just going to do that first. I'm not going to ask around people though, because I am scared. So make sure your microphone and speakers on and just ask around. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.